Hey, what's up everyone? Thank you so much for coming back for another video. In this video I want to talk to you about the Apple Pencil. This is the first generation. I want to talk to you about how I have been able to have my nib last so long. This is the original one that I've had since I've been using my iPad Pro. So the first way is whenever you are writing on your iPad Pro, there's no reason or no need for you to be very, like, you don't have to press down hard. And, let me get a standard brush that everybody is going to have on their iPad Pro whenever you get Procreate. Is I realized that there was no need for me to, I don't have to be heavy-handed, and that comes over time. But if you're naturally heavy-handed, that may be difficult for you. And for me, it is all in the way how I hold the pen. I don't hold the pen too tight as well. And that's the same thing I do with brush lettering and calligraphy. Just let it go, because it's all in the practice and the control. And the screen protector I have, it's just a Anchor one. Nothing, let me write it out. Anchor. This is the brand of screen protector I have. At first, when I got my iPad Pro, I was not going to use a screen protector. But soon I realized that it's very important to have. So whether you have this generation of iPad Pro or if you have the new one, I definitely recommend getting a screen protector. And you do not have to be very heavy-handed with writing using the Apple Pencil. Just slight pressure and your nib will last longer. Catch you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.